This channel makes around $30,000 every single month. This channel makes around $45,000 every single month. And this channel has made over $5 million in a single month. And with the existing content gaps on YouTube and new AI technology that's changing the game for creators, it's possible to copy all three of these channels while still making content that's unique to you without even having to show your face. These are 6 faceless YouTube channel ideas that will make you rich in 2025, starting with the easiest but least profitable of the 3, working all the way up to the channel idea with the potential to make you a millionaire. Starting with channel idea number 1, which is a faceless history channel. 1. Faceless Untold Mysteries channel. Idea. Focus on uncovering lesser-known mysteries, unsolved crimes, or lost civilizations, but add a twist. Instead of just summarizing the mystery, offer alternative theories or explore possible modern solutions to these mysteries using new tech, AI predictions, or expert opinions. Unique twist. Instead of just presenting a mystery, dive deep into unexplored theories or even crowdsource theories from your audience. You can use AI or simulations to generate what certain events could look like in modern times. Potential. This can attract an audience interested in not just history but also true crime, conspiracy theories, and tech innovations. 2. Faceless Urban Legends and Creepy Folklore channel. Idea. Instead of focusing on typical scary stories, you could focus on urban legends and creepy folklore from different cultures. These could range from well-known legends, e.g. Bloody Mary, to more obscure ones from around the world. Unique twist. Each video could explore the cultural origins of these stories, how they've evolved over time, and how they're interpreted in different places. You could also use AI to reimagine these legends in modern settings, making them feel like contemporary horror tales. Potential. The growing interest in global horror and unexplored tales will hook a wider audience. 3. Faceless Science Fiction Scenarios channel. Idea. Explored what-if scenarios, but focus on science fiction and futuristic predictions. For example, what if humans colonized Mars by 2040? Or what if AI controlled our daily lives? You can use a mix of real scientific principles and hypothetical ideas to make these videos both informative and intriguing. Unique twist. Combine AI and VR tools to create visually immersive sci-fi simulations. For instance, simulate what life on Mars could look like using AI-generated visuals or create a simulated AI-controlled city for the viewers to experience. Potential. Sci-fi is a massive niche, and you can tap into the growing interest in space exploration and AI. 4. Faceless Deep Dives into Tech Innovations channel. Idea. Instead of generic tech reviews, create a channel that deep dives into emerging technologies and their societal impacts, such as quantum computing, biotechnology, or AI ethics. Focus on how these technologies could change our future, from healthcare to education to entertainment. Unique twist. Use AI to visually explain complex topics and future scenarios, and feature interviews with experts who can offer predictions or insights. Potential. Tech enthusiasts, students, and future-forward thinkers would be drawn to this content, especially as technological change accelerates. 5. Faceless Mind-Bending Puzzles and Riddles channel. Idea. Present mind-bending puzzles, riddles, or paradoxes that challenge viewers to think outside the box. You could use AI to generate new riddles, puzzles, and challenges or create interactive episodes where viewers solve puzzles in real time, without needing a face. Unique twist. Add a real-world twist by incorporating puzzles based on famous mysteries, scientific paradoxes, or even puzzles used in military or intelligence training. For example, can you solve this riddle like an FBI agent? Potential. Interactive content like this, combined with a puzzle-solving challenge, would engage viewers for longer periods, especially if you give them clues over multiple videos. 6. Faceless Historical What-Ifs channel. Idea. Similar to your competitors' What-If History idea, but with a focus on modern history that most people haven't thought of. For example, what if the internet was invented in the 1960s? Or what if the Cold War never ended? Unique twist. Use AI-generated visuals to show what the alternate history would look like, making it not just theoretical but a visually engaging experience that reimagines significant moments in modern history with real-world implications. Potential. This could attract both history buffs and people interested in alternate realities. If you do this right, you can literally become a millionaire. And that's 6 faceless ideas that will make you rich in 2025. Let me know which faceless channel idea you like the most in the comments, and remember, like, share, and subscribe.